Okay, let's review now the course curriculum. Okay, just a quick overview of how the course is organized, how many lessons we have, and what is the scope really of each lesson within the course. Lesson 1 we will cover why do we need a quality management system, why is it important to have a quality management system, what is a quality management system. Okay, we will cover those initial aspects and initial topics within the lesson 1. Lesson 2 will cover the scope and applicability of the ISO 13485 standard. Okay, which industry is that standard related to, and all the high-level requirements. After lessons 1 and 2 are completed, we will have the first assignment. Okay, it will be again a short assignment just to make sure that you understood all the information and all the topics discussed as part of those 2 lessons. After assignment 1, we will cover lesson 3, which is also related to the standard ISO 13485 standard. This will cover the general quality management system requirements of the standard. General information, but very, very important. This is the baseline, okay, to understand the key concepts of the ISO 13485 standard. After that is completed, we will move to lesson 4. Lesson 4 will cover the documentation requirements, also a very important part of the standard, all the documentation controls. After lessons 3 and 4 are completed, we will go ahead with assignment 2. Again, this assignment 2 will cover your understanding, will check on your understanding and your knowledge, which you should have gotten from the completion of lessons 3 and 4. After assignment 2, we'll go ahead to lesson 5. Lesson 5 will cover the management responsibility as part of the ISO 13485 standard. After completion of lesson 5, we will go to lesson 6, which will cover the topics related to resource management. And after that, we will go to complete assignment 3, which will cover all the information presented in lessons 5 and 6. After assignment 3, we will cover lesson 7. Lesson 7 will be product realization. This is the main contents on the ISO 13485 standard are included in this lesson. There is a lot to cover here in lesson 7. That is why we have 2 assignments here. Okay, what we will do as part of this course is, once we go to lesson 7, we'll split that lesson in 2 parts. Okay, after the first part of the lesson 7, we will have 1 assignment, which will be assignment 4. After assignment 4 is completed, we'll finish the lesson 7, the second section of the lesson 7, and then we will have another assignment, which will be assignment 5 in this case. Okay, and last lesson will be lesson 8. Lesson 8 will cover the measurement, analysis, and improvement processes as part of the ISO 13485 standard. After that last lesson is completed, you will be presented with the last assignment, the last short assignment, assignment number 6, again to check your understanding on the topics covered as part of lesson 8. Once the last assignment 6 is completed, and whenever you're ready, you will be able to go ahead and complete the last assignment, the final assignment. That final assignment will cover all the scope of the course, all the contents, all the clauses and requirements that were discussed and presented to you as part of this course. And yeah, if you are successful on that final exam, you will achieve the completion of the course. You will be presented with a certificate of completion on this course on ISO 13485 2016.